comparison of SHM with uniform circular motion. Suppose there is a circular motion, uniform. A particle is there and it starts to move in a circle in anti-clockwise direction, always anti-clockwise.
Right.
Okay. So after time t, it will reach, let's say, a point P. So this angle theta will be omega t.
Right.
So इस point पे यदि आप projection लीजिएगा इसका y axis पे, so this will be r sin omega t.
Right.
So projection of the particle in circular motion, is undergoing SHM. ठीक है, यदि x या y एक्सिस पे पार्टिकल का प्रोजेक्शन ले लेते, दोनों में से किसी भी, मैंने तो y दिखाया, x पे भी लेंगे तो वो SHM ही होगा.
Right.
So projection of the particle in circular motion is undergoing SHM. मतलब वो जो shadow होगा उस पार्टिकल का on the x axis और y axis, that is undergoing SHM.
Right.
Got it?
Because वो दो बारी हिट करेगा r sin omega t को. ये जब एक बारी π/2 करेगा फिर वापस जा रहेगा तब भी सेम मोशन पे आएगा.
ये बेसिकली आप इस तरह से कम कर सकते हैं कि यदि हमारे पास ये है तो दिस इज लाइक प्लस r and this is like minus r.
Right.
And when the particle starts from, let's say, point A, this is t equals to 0 initial point, that means particle is starting from the mean position.
Right.
As the particle moves up, this particle projection will also move towards the extreme position.
Right.
So you see phi, when it is π/2, that means particle is starting from the extreme position. Particle is at extreme. यदि ये हो जाएगा, let's say this is this angle is let's say 2π/3. ये angle है. So the moment I say phi is equal to 2π/3, I know that this particle is moving in this way. मतलब इसका जो projection होगा y axis पे वो नीचे move कर रहा होगा, मतलब mean position की तरफ आ रहा होगा.
Right.
Got it? So this is the particle which is moving towards the mean position. So you see here 0 से π/2, the particle is moving from mean towards extreme. π/2 to pi, the particle is moving from extreme towards mean. Pi to 3π/2, the particle is moving from mean to minus extreme.
Yes.
And 3π/2 to 2π, the particle is moving from minus extreme to mean, and it completes one oscillation.
Yes.
Suppose the particle at t equals to 0 is here. यहाँ पे located है particle. This angle is already, let's say, π/3. So this particle, after some time, let's say it reaches point P. This is at time t. So this angle will be equal to omega t.
Right.
So the angle from the beginning is omega t plus π/3. That means the projection on the x-axis will be r sin omega t plus π/3.
Right.
Got it, Purashish?
Yes, sir.
Because pi minus omega t plus π/3 is omega t plus π/3. So this is like y is equal to, so this is equation of SHM. I hope this has given you a visualization कि दिमाग में कैसे सोचना है SHM को. You need to take it to a circular motion कि circle पे move कर रहा है
हम्म
to deal with angles.